Hello, my name is Caroline. Thanks for joining me today. Today is the last part of a 6-part series all about Arduino and the Elegoo Most Complete Starter Kit. And today we're going to cover lessons 22 and 23. If you've missed my previous posts, I will link to them below. I encourage you to start from video number 1 and then working your way down to this video, video number 6. This video is going to cover the LCD display that came in the kit and our thermistor. And we're going to hook this up and it's going to become a digital thermometer. We're going to get a room temperature readout on our LCD display here with our Arduino and the code that is provided in the starter kit. Now let's get started. And here's a quick demo of our project today. It is an LCD temperature sensor. It is powered by our laptop, or you can power it with a power bank. This is our Arduino LCD screen potentiometer. The temperature is actually being read from this little component right here. So if you touch it, it will get warmer very quickly. And if you let it go, then it'll drop back down. If you want to adjust the screen contrast, you can do so with the potentiometer. The materials you'll need for this project: you'll need your computer that you used in the last tutorial. You'll need your Arduino with the proper cable, the USB cable that it connects to your computer with. You'll need your LCD display. You'll need a breadboard. You'll need a 10,000 ohm resistor. You will need a potentiometer, you will need a thermistor, and you will need a whole bunch of these male-to-male jumper cables. Now we have our LCD wired up. There's nothing on the LCD screen right now. We have the potentiometer here, right here. We've got our Arduino. It's connected to our computer. I am verifying the wiring diagram once again, and we do need to have the Hello World Arduino sketch up here. And now on Arduino, we are going to the LCD display, Hello World, Hello World. I'm going to open up that sketch, and I'm going to notice that this sketch requires liquidcrystal.h. We need to add a new library, and let's see, and sure enough, we look at the instructions. It does say we need to note that we need to include the library liquid crystal, and I'm going to include library. I'm going to add zip library. I'm going to go to my documents, and then where I've saved all my libraries, here they are, and I'm looking for liquid crystal. I'm going to choose that one. And now I should be able to upload and compile Hello World, and sure enough, now my LCD screen says Hello World. And that is the Hello World project. Next we're moving on to the thermometer. Now we have Hello World still working. We have added the thermistor and the correct wiring to our Arduino board. We have Hello World continuing to work here. Now I've got Hello World, now I need to get the code for the thermometer. I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to find File, Open on Arduino, and let's look for thermometer. That's lesson 23, thermometer. And let's open up that Arduino code here, and it's using liquid crystal, which we just installed in Hello World. We don't need to install another library, and I'm going to hit verify, then I'm going to hit upload, and let's see if Hello World changes to a temperature. And yes, it does. It changes to our temperature now. This is our thermistor here, so if I touch the thermistor, it should get warmer pretty quickly. If I let go, then it should go back down. It is really important to get the wiring exactly as the wiring diagram shows, and then that is how it works. Otherwise, if you have things not exactly the same, it will not work correctly. So please double check your wiring diagram against what you have on your breadboard if something does not work correctly.